So, Chief, what's up? You still showing your floppy belly, how? It's all over the internet. Come on now, Chief. You're better than that. I'm better than that. I hate to how that can't spit lyrics. I hate that. Yeah. But you look better than Amari. Only in your dreams. I wonder if goodies can hear me. I don't know where the microphone is. Just you, she said, I have like a flops. Come I lose my weight. Big flops. My wings. But that's soon gone. Come I can't afford surgery, bitch. Can you? Listen, to my ghetto folks, I love you guys, but let me handle these itches. Okay? Don't get me wrong. I don't joke when it comes to poverty. I've been there, done that. I've lived on these streets. Okay? So it's just the people that hate me. I'll just look at them. Yeah. So my management team, everybody is coming by my house. I allow nobody to come by my house, but they are important people. They're gonna be coming by to discuss Amari's life. I'd asked them for 4 months, and I'm ready to roll. What's up, Instagram? Me and my sexless life. A little salt, Amari. Salt, sea salt. Let's get that. That reminds me of Bop. Yeah. What you say? You love me?